Hey, this is Shimanto and I'm here to walk you through NextAdmin and its new features. NextAdmin is an AI-native Next.js admin dashboard with components and templates. Let's take a quick tour and then I'll show you how we have fully implemented AI in the new NextAdmin. So here's the site itself. And if you click into the live preview, you land right inside a working dashboard. You've got your analytics dashboard with charts and cards already laid out for you. Then there are data tables and these come ready to sort, filter and paginate, so you're not wiring that up from scratch. Everything is fully responsive and it works in both light and dark mode right out of the box. Now, on top of all that, NextAdmin is fully AI ready, which works with any AI tool or agent you're already working with. Now, let's see the part where the new NextAdmin is different from the previous one. With our API integration skill, which is built specifically for implementing real data in your dashboard. All you have to do is just prompt it to connect your real API. Then, the agent will ask for your API endpoint and your response shape. The agent goes ahead and fetches from your API and then maps the data directly into the components that are already sitting on the page. You are not manually rewriting fetch calls and you are not manually matching fields to props either. Every section is updated with real data that you provided. So this is no longer a mock data. This is your actual live data with dynamic view. Moving on to our next skill, let's say you need to create a new page in one of your sections. For that, we have a prompt called create new page. And when you use that, the agent will ask for your name or label of the page and the path of the page. Once you give every information to the agent does what it's best at. Now that you're done creating your new page under a section, let's say you want to create a dashboard for your restaurant. Then you can use our skill called /generate/UI. You can drag and drop the new page you just created, and before it writes a single line, the agent reads through agents.md and the skills, so it already understands the components, the folder structure and the design system you're working with. And because of that, it doesn't reinvent any AI slop and it doesn't even guess your patterns either. On the process, it will ask you a few questions. Once it's done, the new dashboard layout and components get dropped straight into your project. So if you're interested in trying out for yourself, the link is down below. And if NextAdmin saved you some time, you can start the repo. It helps the project. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.